And welcome back. Now, two-time world 200-meter champion and Diamond Trophy winner in the 100 and 200 meters this year, Jamaica's Shericka Jackson is one of 11 nominees for the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year award. Jackson, who blitzed her way to a national record and championship record of 21.41 seconds to retain her world title in Budapest earlier this year, is the only Jamaican nominated. A double world champion and world record holder Faith Kipyegon of Kenya is also nominated, along with world champions Shikari Richardson, Ulma Rojas, Gurav Sege, Femke Paul, Haruka Kitaguchi, Maria Perez, Yaroslavia Mauichi, and Winfred Yavi. The list is completed by Berlin Marathon winner and world record holder Tigets Seifa. The World Athletics Council and the World Athletics family will cast their votes by email, while fans can vote online via the World Athletics social media platforms. The World Athletics Council's vote will count for 50% of the result, while the World Athletics family's votes and the public votes will each count for 25% of the final result. The winners will be announced on World Athletics social media platforms on December 11.